Let's try to study about the animals. So first, let's discuss the farm animals. This is the farm. You see?
Where's the animals?
Oh, the animals are hiding inside the farm, in the barn. So what are farm animals? Farm animals are animals that you can see in the farm. Those animals are usually kept for agricultural purposes. This includes such domesticated animals. So some samples are hen. Can you put it here? Hen. And goat. Kuya, can you put it here? The goat. Put it here. Put it here. Kuya, come on. You look. And goat. Okay, next. And this one, what's this?
Duck.
Duck. Put it here, Kuya. You wait for your turn. Kuya Marcos. Careful. Kuya. Come on.
No, Kuya.
Kuya, you wait. Put it here na kasi. Para hindi makuha ni Kuya. Here. Here, in here. Beside the goat. And the rooster. Put it here, Kuya. Okay. Okay. You listen. We're discussing about animals, anak. Later, we will discuss about letters, ha? And what is this? It's a turkey. Turkey. Oh, you put the turkey in there. Kuya, this one. This is a horse. Put it there, Kuya. Come on, Kuya. Kuya Marcos. And what is this? Cow. Can you put the cow? And Kuya, last one, it's the pig. Can you put the pig here, Kuya? Kuya Marcos. Come on, Kuya Marcos, please. Okay. Malcolm, sit down properly. So, these are the animals that you can see inside the farm. The hen, the goat, the duck, the rooster, the horse, the turkey, the cow, and the pig. So, they are used mostly for agricultural purposes. For example, the cow, they are the ones who give us fresh milk. Then the pig, we also get them for what? For meat. We eat the pig like the chicken. Okay? So what do you call these animals? These are farm animals. What are these animals called, Malcolm? Malcolm, what are the animals called? What are the animals called? These are... Kuya, sit down properly first. These are farm animals. What are farm animals? Farm animals are animals that can be seen in the farm. Very good. Very good. What are the animals that you can see in the farm? What are the animals that you can see in the farm? Hen, goat, duck, turkey, rooster, cow, pig. So what are these again? These are farm. What are these again? These are farm animals. Kuya, can you give me the pig? No, si Kuya. Kuya, can you give me the pig? Very good. Malcolm, can you give... wait lang, Kuya. One by one. Malcolm, you wait, ha? You wait. Can you give me the turkey? Malcolm. Very good. Kuya Marcos, can you give me the cow? Cow, kuya. Uh-oh, that's not a cow. Very good. Malcolm, can you give me the horse? Kuya Marcos, can you give me the chicken? Very good. How about you? Another chicken, Malcolm. Ay, si kuya na nag-give. Oh, stop, stop. Oh, Malcolm, can you give me the goat? Okay. And kuya gave me the duck. Very good. So what are these called again? These animals? They are farm animals. What are farm animals again? Animals that can be seen farm. Where do you see the goat? In the Where do you see the goat? In the farm. Where do you see the goat? Where do you see the duck? Farm. Where do you see the hen? In the farm. Where do you see the rooster? In the farm. Where do you see the horse? Farm. Where do you see the cow? Where do you see the turkey? Where do you see the pig? Very good.